Hey guys, welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning this up right here. As you will see, there is going to be like a bunch of mess here for me to clean up, and right now I'm actually going to start cleaning the rest of it. So enjoy the video. Yeah, by the way, this is an oil cooler. We have an oil cooler seal leak, and I need to clean this up before I actually remove it. That way it's going to be, pretty good. Hi guys, so I'm done cleaning. Before I remove this, I want to go ahead and actually soak up some of this stuff here. I don't want it going inside the engine. I guess another thing I want to clean up is I want to kind of clean up some of this other stuff here. I really don't have to, but I think this will look nicer. You really should wear some safety glasses, and the reason I was trying to cover up with a hand like that, I don't want anything to fly at my eyes. Nothing is flying, but still, it might. Okay. So guys, we're going to go ahead and actually torquing up this oil cooler right here using this Quinn type of tool. So I actually set memory on it last time, so it does remember. So 12 Newton meters is what I need. So now I'm going to put an extension on it. So let's see how it works. So seems like I already torqued it properly without actually having a torque tool. Well, I used my so that's beeping already. So I could see that it's already torqued, which is good. This always removes. That's not good. It's too easy to remove it. So if you think about it, it's not much that you could actually go. What I'm trying to say is, like, when I was actually using this this tool to torquing it, usually it does not actually tighten things very tight. When I go back and tighten things, I could tell that the bolts are a little bit loose. So I'm really surprised that, you know, it's approximately tightens at 12. Because I could tell, like, I mean, these bolts are rotating. Like, I mean, this stuff is loose. Well, that one's just a bolt. I can't really get in there. So in my opinion, this is not that tight, because I'm able to tighten them a lot more with very little effort. It's probably what they say is, you know, like, this is why a lot of times it's, let's say, like 12 Newton meters, then you have to do like a 90-degree turn and 90-degree turn again. That's probably why. But over here it's going to be really hard to mark them, so probably doing 30 or 40, you know, at a time. So obviously having a big wrench like this, it will take nothing to rip these threads. So you have to be very careful, and this is why it's very important that you use something like a torque wrench to let you know that you're applying too much. And even when it's beeping, it's allowing me to go further. So if you're not listening to it, then you could actually mess up the holes. But I always tighten things by feel, and that's actually what I'm doing now. I could sort of feel how aluminum, you know, tightens. And I'm just basically going, you know, little by little. So pretty much everything is good and tight, and it actually was when I actually tightened everything just regular with what using like my Makita Torx. So that's good. At least I know, like, when I tighten something with this, it's right in that proximity, you know. So for the oil cooler, looks like we're good here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video where I'm going to be installing the intake manifolds. That should be a fun video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit a like. Bye-bye. So it's going to take an E10 socket. I'm going to be using my regular handy dandy Makita. As you can see, it's basically seen better days, but it still works. Had it for a long time. E10 is on there right now. This is going to be good. We set already this torque wrench to be at 60 Newton meters, so that's good. I got all the bolts pretty much ready, some here, some there, and some of my other black type of thing. And then I have bags, like little baggies of all the bolts and stuff. So let's go ahead and remove the intake manifold from plastic.